There is no one-size-fits-all. If you have conflicting conditions of use, combinations are your solution. Modern plants need the ease of use of increased safety installations and the versatility of component selections in flame-proof solutions. The flexibility of use and the easy installation and maintenance can become the key factor in your plant for faster installation and easier maintenance and reduced downtimes. Combinations are the way to go if you want the advantages of both worlds. The flame-proof solution is connected to the increased safety solution with a flange. That flange ensures the IP-tight connection and also protects the cables going between those two solutions. The cables are running in this flange in line bushings, which are pre-tested and especially produced. The modularity of the solution is the key. For example, if you want to change a fuse into a circuit breaker, switch it from the EXE into the EXD enclosure. Or if you require a new hole in the XE enclosure, just drill it in the gland plate, get an approved cable gland and connect it. Easy as that. The installation just became so much easier for you. No more messy handling of potting compounds on the plant side anymore. The flanges enable you to combine the solutions as required. You can flange any EXD to any EXE solution, be they stainless or plastic. You can combine them with an EXE solution on top, on the left, on the right, at the bottom, it doesn't matter. You can even connect two EXE enclosures together and connect them to different EXD solutions. Combination is the key as you require in your plant. The EXE part normally contains all your termination points for your cables as well as operators or easily hazardous area approved components like, for example, surge protectors. The XD portion contains all the rest of your components, easily selectable, your brands and everything else you're used to. In this way, you get the best of both worlds, the flexibility of the EXE solution and the versatility of the EXD solution. The disadvantages of the two concepts cancel each other out. EXDE is the way forward.